Write first four terms of AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. Here they have given A equals 10 and D equals 10. We need to find first four terms, that is nothing but A1, A2, A3 and A4. Okay. A equals 10 and D equals 10. Now first we'll write the formula of AN. AN equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now we'll find the first term. How to find the first term? First term A1, it is nothing but A. So we have written the formula AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D. But in order to find the first term, no need of using the formula. We'll directly write A1 equals A, which is equal to 10. Now how to find A2? A2 we can use the formula, that is nothing but A plus 2 minus 1 into D, which is equal to A plus D, which is equal to 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Next we find the third term. A3 equals A plus 3 minus 1 into D. 3 minus 1 is nothing but 2. So we can write it as A plus 2D. So what is the value of A? A is 10 plus 2 into D value is 10. So that is nothing but 10 plus 20, which is equal to 30. I will find the last term. They are told first four terms. So we'll find the last term. A4 equals A plus 3D. We can write it directly 3D because 4 minus 1 is 3. So which is equal to 10 plus 3 into 10, which is equal to 10 plus 30. So the fourth term is 40. I told write the series. So first four terms of AP are 10, 20, 30 and 40. Okay. First problem is done. We'll move to the next problem. Here they have given A equals minus 2 and B equals 0. It's minus 2 and D equals 0. Now instead of writing the formula again and again, we'll directly substitute it. That is nothing but A equals 10. That is not, sorry, A equals minus 2, which is nothing but A1. So A1 equals A equals minus 2. Now what about A2? A2 can be written as A plus D. Instead of writing the formula, we can directly substitute here. That is A is minus 2 and D is 0. So value is minus 2. No need of writing that AN equals A plus N minus 1 into D, again substituting the value. The AN term is nothing but the previous term plus D. So similarly we'll try the next one. A3 equals A2 plus D. The previous term is A2 plus D. That is minus 2 plus 0, which is equal to minus 2. Next we'll move on to the next one. A4. A4 is nothing but A3 plus D, which is equal to A3 is again minus 2 plus D is 0, which is equal to minus 2. Look here, whenever we have the common difference as 0, arithmetic progression series will never change. It will be the same. So the first four terms of AP are minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 and minus 2. The four terms are minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Which of the following are APs? Now here we need to check which are those are AP and find the common difference D. Write the three more terms. Here first we need to check whether it is in AP and we will check for the common difference, and after finding it we need to write three more terms. Here we'll check for the first one. A1 equals 2. That is nothing but first term A equals 2 and D equals A2 minus A1. What is the value of A2 here? A2 is 4 minus A1 is 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Next, since we need to check whether it is in AP, we need to check for another difference. A3 minus A2. Value of A3 is 8 and value of A2 is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Now look here, we have got two different differences. One is 2 and other one is 4. If we get two different differences, it means it is not in AP. Because for AP, there should be a common difference. Difference should be same. Here it is not in AP. 2 plus 2, it should be 4 and next should be 6 and again next should be 8. But here they have given 2, 4, 8 and 16. So it is not in AP. Now we'll look at the next one. First we'll write the first value A equals 2 and check for the first difference. D equals A2 minus A1. Value of A2 is 5 by 2 minus A1 is 2. 5 by 2. What is the value of 5 by 2? 5 by 2 is nothing but 2 and a half. 2 and a half minus 2. It is nothing but just 1 by 2. Or we can say half. And we need to check another difference. A3 minus A2, which is equal to 3 minus 5 by 2. Again, I have told 5 by 2 is nothing but 2 and a half. So 3 minus 2 and a half is equal to half again. 3 minus 2 and a half. 5 by 2 is nothing but 2 and a half. 3 minus 2 and a half will give 1 by 2. Now look at the difference. Both the differences are same. It means the given expression or the given sequence is in AP. Now if it is in AP, we need to find 3 more terms, right? Now we'll check for the 3 more terms. Here they have given A1, A2, A3 and A4. And we need to look for A5, A6 and A7. Look for the value of A5. How to check A5? A5 is nothing but A4 plus D. A4 is nothing but 7 by 2 plus D. D is nothing but 1 by 2. 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2, denominator is same. We can add both. 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 by 2. 8 by 2 is nothing but 4. Next we'll look for A6, that is nothing but A5 plus D. A5 is 4. 4 plus D is nothing but 1 by 2. So 4 plus 1 by 2 is nothing but 4 and a half. So we'll keep it as it is. Or we can write it as 4 times 9, 2 4 times 8 plus 1, 9 by 2. Or we can take 4 and a half. Better to write 4 and a half. Next A7 is A6 plus D, which is equal to 9 by 2 plus half, which is equal to 9 plus 1, 10. 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 5. If you would have taken 4 and a half plus half, then again we would have got the same thing as 5. So we have got 3 more terms. So we'll move to the next one. Here A is minus 1.2. Next we need to check for difference. D is A2 minus A1, which is equal to minus 3.2 minus of minus 1.2. Look here, both has negative sign. It means minus of minus. It will become plus. So minus 3.2 plus 1.2 will give minus 2.0, or we can say minus 2. And we'll check for the next difference. A3 minus A2. What is the value of A3 here? It is minus 5.2 minus of minus 3.2. Minus of minus, again it becomes plus. Minus 5.2 plus 3.2 gives again minus 2. Now look here, we have got both the differences same. Here we have got both the differences same, minus 2 and minus 2. It means it is in AP. It is in AP. Now if it is in AP, what we have to do? We need to find 3 more terms. There is nothing but A5, A6 and A7. A5 is A4 plus D. What is the value of A4? Minus 7.2 plus D is minus 2. Minus 7.2 and minus 2 both has same sign. So we need to add and put the same sign. There is nothing but minus 9.2. Minus 7.2 minus 2, that is nothing but minus 9.2. Yeah. Next we'll check for the next one. A6. A6 equals A5 plus D. So what is A5 here? A5 is nothing but minus 9.2 plus D is minus 2. Again it's similar, minus 9 minus 2 minus 11. Answer will be minus 11 divided by 2. Just add it, you'll get the value. Minus 11.2. Next, the last one is A7. A7 is A6 plus D, which is equal to minus 11.2 plus minus 2. Again, minus 11 minus 2 gives minus 13, and the answer is minus 13.2. This is simple addition because both symbols are same. Minus 13.2 will be the answer.
Which term of AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Here they have given a set of AP and we need to find nth term. Okay. So what is the given term here? They have given the first term, it is 3. First term is nothing but A. And what about the difference? D equals A2 minus A1. What is the value of A2 here? A2 is 8 and A1 is 3. So that is nothing but 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5. Now we have got A and D. Now we need to find the nth term. We need to find the unknown term. What is the formula to find the nth term? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into d. Now we have got the unknown term, that is nothing but 78. We need to find which term is nothing but nth term. We need to find the value of n. So 78 is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into d. What is the value of d? D is 5. So take this 3 to the other side. 78 minus 3 will be equal to n minus 1 into 5. 78 minus 3, what is the value? 75, which is equal to n minus 1 into 5. Next, look here. 5 is multiplied to n minus 1. While it comes to the other side, it will be divided. So 75 divided by 5 is equal to n minus 1. So 75 divided by 5. 5 10 times is 50, remaining is 25. 5 1, here remaining is 25. 5 5 times. So n minus 1 is equal to 15, and in order to find the value of n, we'll take 1 to the other side, that will be addition, is 15 plus 1. So n is equal to 16. So they are asked which term of AP is 78. So we can write it as, therefore 16th term of AP is 78. Clear? Now we'll move on to the next one. Find the number of terms in each of the following AP. Here we need to find the number of terms in each of the following AP. Here they have given different AP. Now we need to find number of terms. Now look here. It's similar to the previous one. Here we know first term is 7 and D is A2 minus A1. What is A2 here? A2 is 17 minus A1 is 7. So 13 minus 7, what is the value? It is 6. Yeah. Now how to find the nth term? First we know an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. They are asked to find the number of terms. It is nothing but they have given first term up to last term. They have given a series of terms, and if you are going to substitute an to this, we'll get the number of terms. So an is given as 205, which is equal to a is 7 plus n minus 1 into d value is 6. So 205 minus 7. 7 is positive over here. When it comes to other side, it will become negative, which is equal to n minus 1 into 6. 205 minus 7, it is 198. It is equal to n minus 1 into 6. So this 6 is multiplied to n minus 1, while goes to the other side, it will become division. So 198 divided by 6 is equal to n minus 1. 6 1 times, 6 3 times is 18. 1 remainder, 6 3 times is 18. So n minus 1 is equal to 33. So n equals to minus 1 goes to the other side and become plus. That is nothing but 33 plus 1, which becomes 34. They are asked find the number of terms. So number of terms in this AP is 34. Just write one sentence at the last. Number of terms in the given AP is 34. Now we'll solve the next one. It is similar to the previous one. Here they have given a equals 18. Next, what is d? D is equal to a2 minus a1, which is equal to 15 and a half minus 18. Now no need of converting it here, because after converting we need to take the decimal, we need to take the LCM. After taking the LCM, again we need to take the common factor, and all those things we need to do. So directly we will take this. What is 18 minus 15.5? Subtract 15.5 from 18. After 15.5, if you are going to add 1, it will be 16.5. Again 1 more. If you are going to add 2, it will be 17.5. If you are going to add 2, it will be 17.5. Again half more, it will be 2.5. So what is the difference here? It is nothing but 2.5. How can we write this 2.5? 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, which is equal to 5 by 2. Instead of taking the LCM and calculating it, better we will take it in this way. Now look here, the bigger number is negative over here. So we have to take it as negative, minus 2.5 or minus 5 by 2. Okay. Now they have given the nth term. So we need to find the value of n. So an is a plus n minus 1 into d. So what is the value of an here? Minus 47. It is equal to a. What is the value of a? 18 plus n minus 1 into d. What is the value of d? D is minus 5 by 2. Whenever we are going to write minus over here, better to put it in bracket, because we are going to multiply d to n minus 1. So minus 47 So this 18 is positive over here. When it comes to other side, it will become minus, is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Now look here, minus 47 minus 18, what is the value? It will be minus 65. Minus 45 minus 18. Since both are having same sign, we need to add and we need to put the sign whichever is there. Next, minus 65 we have got. We'll look at the other side, which is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Here minus 5 by 2 is multiplied to n minus 1. On taking it to the other side, it will be divided. That is nothing but minus 65 divided by minus 5 by 2. It will be divided here, which is equal to n minus 1. This minus and minus gets cancelled. This 2 will go to the numerator. That is n minus 1 is equal to 65 into 2 is 65. 65 into 2 divided by 5. 5 1 times, 5 1 times, remaining is 1. 5 3 times is 15. 13 2 times is 26. So n minus 1 is 26. So n will be equal to 26 plus 1, which is equal to 27. So value of n is 27. So what they are asked, find the number of terms. So number of terms in the given AP is 27. Find the 31st term of AP, whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. Here they have given two different terms and they have given the values of those terms, and we need to find the 31st term. Whenever we have given with two different terms, I have told you to take the difference by using AP minus AQ divided by P minus Q, right? So I'll write it over here. 11th term, that is nothing but A11 is 38 and A16 is 73. So I'll write it properly over here. So I have told whichever is the greatest one, take it as AP. So AP is 73. What is the value of P? This is P. So value of P is 16 and P is 16. Now look here. We'll take it as AQ. AQ is equal to 38. And what is the value of Q? Q is equal to 11. 31st term of AP. First we'll take the difference. D equals to AP minus AQ divided by P minus Q. What is the value of AP here? AP is 73 minus 38. AQ is 38 divided by 16 minus 11. 73 minus 38. What is the value? From 38 it is 48, 58, 68 and remaining is 5. So difference is 35. 35. 16 minus 11 will get it as 5. So 35 by 5. 5 1 times and 5 7 times will get the value of D as 7. Now we know like A11 is 38. So how we can write A11? A11 is nothing but A plus 10D. Value of A11 is A plus 10D. So what is A11 here? We know A11 is 38, which is equal to A. We don't know what is A, plus 10 into D. What is D here? D is 7. So that is nothing but A equals to, before that we will take 38 equals to A plus 10 7 times is 70. Now we will take 70 to the other side. So A equal to 38 minus 70, which is equal to A will be given as 38 minus 70. Now subtract 38 from 70. How to subtract? 48, 58, 68. It is 30 and it is 32. So whenever we have got this thing, so we'll write it as 32 over here, and what is the bigger number sign? It is minus. So A is minus 32. Now we have got what is A and what is D. Now we can find any term. They have asked 31st term. So A of 31. How to find A of 31? A of 31 is nothing but A plus 31 minus 1 into D, which is equal to A plus 30D. What is the value of A? It is minus 32 plus 30 into what is the value of D? 7. Now look here, 7 3 times is 21. So minus 32 plus 21 and it is 0. So what is the value of A31 here? A31 is 210 minus 32. 210 minus 32. This will be equal to 0. This is 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. Now 20 minus 3 is 17. So value is A31 is 178. A31 is 178. Now they are asked find the 31st term of AP. At last write one statement. The 31st term of AP is 178. We'll write it here. Therefore, the 31st term of an AP is 178.
Show that A1, A2 up to n terms form an AP where A is defined as below. Here they have not given any first term, any last term, nothing. They have just given the general equation of An. Now we need to find the first 3 terms here and also find the sum of 15 terms in each case. Since they are told show A1, A2 up to An form an AP, so no need to find n number of terms. We will find 1, 2, 3 up to 4 terms. That's enough. So we'll start with the problem. Look here what they are told. An is equal to 3 plus 4n. So what is A1? A1 is equal to 3 plus, instead of n I am putting it as 1. So 4 into 1. So what is this? 3 plus 4 into 1 is 4. So we'll get it as 3 plus 4 as 7. Now we'll look at the next one. A2. A2 is 3 plus 4 into 2. So it is nothing but 3 plus 4 into 2 is 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. We'll find up to 4 terms. So A3 is nothing but 3 plus 4 into 3. 4 3 times is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So A4 is nothing but 3 plus 4 into 4. 4 4 times 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. Now we have found out 4 terms of AP, right? Now we need to check whether it is in AP or not. How to check? By using difference. D equals A2 minus A1. It is nothing but 11 minus 7. What is the value of 11 minus 7? It is 4. Next, some other difference. A3 minus A2. Check the difference. 15 minus 11. It is again 4. Again check the another difference. D equals A4 minus A3, which is equal to 19 minus 15, which is equal to 4. Now we can see it is in AP. It is in AP with common difference 4 and first term as 7. First term as 7. Here we have first term as 7 and common difference as 4. Now they ask find the sum of first 15 terms in each case. Okay, now we need to find sum of 15 terms. S15 is equal to what? How to find the sum of n terms? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So it is similar one. So Sn is equal to, it is nothing but 15 terms. 15 by 2 into 2 into a. First term is 7. 2 into 7 plus n minus 1. N is 15 minus 1 into d is nothing but 4. Common difference is 4. So look here, 15 by 2, as 15 is odd, we'll have a look at it later. 2 7 times is 14 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 into 4. So 14 2 times is 28. 28 2 times is 56. So we'll get it as 15 by 2 into 14 plus 56. What is this 14 plus 56? It is 70. So 15 by 2 into 70. So 2 1 times, 2 35 times. So what is this 15 into 35? 5 5, it is 25, and 5 and this thing, it is 525. So sum of 15 terms is 525. Now we'll look at the next one. It is a similar problem. What we have to find, we need to check whether it is in AP and we need to find the sum of 15 terms. So A1 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 1. 5 1 times is 5. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Next, what about A2? A2 is 9 minus 5 into 2, which is equal to 9 minus 5 2 times is 10. So 10 is a bigger value, so value is minus 1. Next, A3 is equal to 9 minus 5 into 3. So 9 minus 5 3 times is 15. 9 minus 15 is minus 6. Next, A4 is 9 minus 5 into 4, which is equal to 9 minus 20, which is equal to minus 11. Okay, now we have find out
A1, A2, A3 and A4. Now we need to check whether it is in AP or not. How to check? D equals A2 minus A1. Subtract one after the other. Is minus 1 minus of minus 4, because A1 is plus 4. So minus 1 minus 4, what is the value? It is minus 5. Now we'll check for the next one. D equals A3 minus A2, which is equal to minus 6 minus of minus 1. Look here, minus minus becomes plus. Minus 6 plus 1 gives again minus 5. Next, what about the next one? D is A4 minus A3. Difference between any two consecutive terms, that is nothing but minus 11 minus of minus 6. Again minus minus becomes plus. Minus 11 plus 6 is minus 5. Look here, all the differences are same, so we can say it is in AP with common difference D as minus 5 and A first term as 4. Now we got to know what is the first term and what is the common difference. Now how to find the sum of 15 terms? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2 into a is 2 into 4 plus n minus 1. N is 15 minus 1 into d. Value of d is minus 5. Now look here, again 15 is odd, we'll look at it later. 15 by 2 into 2 plus 4 is 8, 2 into 4 is 8, plus 15 minus 1 is 14, 14 into minus 5, that is nothing but minus 70. So we have got it as minus 70. So which is equal to 15 by 2 into 8 minus 70, it is nothing but minus 62. Now look here, 2 1 times, 2 31 times. So what is the product here? Minus 15 into 31. It is actually 15 into minus 31. So wherever you are, while multiplying, wherever you can put the negative sign here. So that is 310 plus 155. We'll get it as minus 465. There are sum of 15 terms. So sum of 15 terms is minus 465. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Now we need to find the sum of first 40 positive integers which are divisible by 6. It is quite easy here. What they are told, we need to find a AP whose numbers are divisible by 6. So we'll start with the first one. First number which is divisible by 6 is 6. What about second one? It is 12. Third 18, 24, and it goes on. It is nothing but table of 12. Multiples of 12. 6 1 times 6, 6 2 times 12, 6 3 times 18, 6 4 times 24. We need to find the sum of all the multiples of 12 up to 40 terms, right? So what we know here, we know A is equal to 6. What about D? Since it is a multiple of 6, it is also 6. Now what we have to find the sum of 40 terms. How to find the sum of 40 terms? So S of 40 is equal to, Sn is equal to, before that we'll write the formula for Sn. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is this? S of 40 is equal to 40 divided by 2 into 2 into a. 2 into a is 6, 2a plus value of n is again 40 minus 1 into what is the value of d? D is 6. So which is equal to 40 by 2 is 20, 2 6 times is 12 plus, look here, if you are going to take 39 into 6, it will be a little bit complicated. So what we'll do, we'll take 40 into 6. 46 times is 240 minus 1 into 6 is 6. So value is 246. So 20 into 246. What is the value? 492. That is 4920 will be the sum of first 40 natural numbers, first 40 positive numbers which are divisible by 6. Clear? Now we'll move to the next one. Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. Again it is the same thing. Previous one they have given the multiples of 6. Here we need to find the multiples of 8. Then the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32 and it goes on. What is A here? A is 8. What about difference? Difference is also 8. What we have to find? We need to find sum. Sum formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is the value of Sn? It is S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2 into A, that is 2 into 8 plus 8, sorry, it's not 8, N is 15. 15 minus 1 into D is 8. So since 15 is odd number, we'll keep as it is. 15 by 2 into 8 is 16 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 into 8. So 14 10 times is 140, 140 minus 28. Okay. 15 by 2 into 16 plus 14 8 times is 112. So which is equal to 15 by 2 into 128. So 128 is even number. 2 1 times 264 times. So 64 into 15, 640 plus 320. So it will be 069. It is 960. Sum of first 15 terms, which are the multiples of 8, are 960. Now we'll move to the next one. Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. Okay. What are the odd numbers? Odd number starts from 1 and till 50 they have told, it means the last number is 1, 3, 5, 7, and the last number which is less than 50 is 49. So what is the first term? First term is A. What about difference? Difference is 3 minus 1, that is A2 minus A1, which is equal to 2. Difference is 2. What is the last term? AN, or last term is 49. Here we know last term, so which formula we are going to find? S of n is equal to n by 2 A plus L. But here we don't know what is the value of n. How to find the value of n? Substitute the formula of an over here. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 49 is equal to 1 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. So 49 minus 1 is 48 is equal to n minus 1 into 2. 2 is multiplied over here, while going to the other side it will be divided. 48 by 2 is 24 is equal to n minus 1. So n is equal to 24 plus 1, it is minus 1, going to the other side it will become plus 1. So n is equal to 25. Now we have got the value of n is equal to 25, substitute here. So Sn is equal to 25 divided by 2 into a, value of a is 1, plus L is 49, which is equal to 25 by 2 into 1 plus 49. 1 plus 49 is 50. So 2 1 times, 2 25 times. So value of Sn is 25 into 25, which is equal to 625.
Thanks for watching, and for more updates on similar videos, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.